Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select general tab and just scroll up, or you can see here background app refresh. Then it is currently turned off. Now you can select three of them. I'm using Wi-Fi here because if you are using Wi-Fi, then you give the permission to refresh their contents on applications which one you enable the background app refresh. Also you can use Wi-Fi and mobile data, but mobile data is costly in foreign states. So in India, mobile data is not much costly, so we can easily use that. And if you are in a foreign country, you must select Wi-Fi only. It is best. Okay, and that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.